Hello brothers, I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I made my future bass chords and melodies. So let's start with the chords. So as you guys can see, I have already write my chords. Let's play it. Now I'm going to design the chords, and you can download this preset for free. Link is in the description.
One eternity later.
Now play this with the drums and bass. So guys, that's how I make my future bass chords. Now let's create the melody. For the melody, open your piano roll and paste your chords. Then set the grid to 1/3 and try to create something like this. And finally I come up with this melody. Let's hear it. Now copy and paste the melody to different channels. Use 3 or more layers to create some powerful chords. Now let's hear the melody. After adding some salt and pepper, your track should sound like this. Here is the final result. That's it for this video guys. I hope you learned something today. And one more thing guys, I'm working on my future bass sample pack. When we hit the 500 subs I will give you that for free, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions for the next video, leave it in the comments section. Till then, peace.